first Noel, the angel did say, was to certain poor shepherds in fields where they lay, in fields where they lay, while keeping their sheep on a cold winter's night that was so deep.